Welcome everybody to Bullseye Options. Today is July 6, 2020. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. What I'm going to show you is a stock today that I took some profits on and why I took the profits more importantly. And it's very, very important for traders to recognize this chart setup, which occurs very, very often and serves as excellent resistance. Sometimes if it's the other way, and you'll see in just a moment, it could be very good support. But I want to go over this. I think this is very, very important. This is something that I teach in the methodology course, and I also teach in many of the other courses. So let's take a look at it now. Here's a chart of Las Vegas Sands. Now, I was in this trade up until today, and today I did take it off the table. I locked in a really, really nice gain out here for about 22.7%. And this is a trade I entered on the 22nd of June. So let me just show you here. Got into that stock on the 22nd of June, which was right here. And, you know, it was underwater a little bit. The stock started to come back. And then you can see I made a big move today. And it surged above the $48 level. So you're going to see the stock really had a big advance. And it surged above 48, went to $48.37. But look what it did since. It has come back down and basically given back all of its gains today and then some. So why did it do that? What's the reason? And why did I get out on that pop the first thing this morning? And I'm going to show you that right now. First of all, if you take a look at the chart, you're going to notice this blue line right here. And you're going to notice this red line right here. The red line is the 50-day moving average. The blue line is the 20-day moving average. You're going to notice that the 20 moving average is crossing into the red line, and that's what we call a bow tie resistance point. So when price goes up and you see those two moving averages converging into each other, just know that that's going to be very good resistance. And what happened today, stock gapped up, rallied higher, and then it started to slowly reverse. But if you fast forward this into a 10-minute chart, you'll see, let me just move this over to the East Coast time frame. You'll see that we got out right in this pop. And then you can see that the stock has rolled over since. But with that being said, this is what it should have done going into those two moving averages. So the stock did exactly what I thought it would do. And now I'll sit back and I'll wait for a multi-day pullback, and I'll look to get in this Las Vegas Sands again. Now, this was a call options trade. We made about 22.7%. But I am keeping this one on the radar because I think it can still trade a lot higher, maybe significantly higher from where it is. But that's what I'll watch for now, is just a 2 or 3 day pullback. I'll see what the chart setup looks like, and then we'll look to reload into that option once again. So there's the reason why I got out of it, made some really good money. And again, now I'll watch for pattern, and I'll look to reestablish that position, provided the pattern tells me to. And I think that's something that every trader should learn how to use these charts, do what the charts tell you to do, and you'll be very happily served throughout your time as a trader. Next up, I want to just show you, here's the track record. If you want to come over, check out Bullseye Options at In the Money Stocks. And again, you see all the trades that we do, have all the positions up here. It's been a really stellar year. And again, I'm going to look to keep that going really right into the end of December. So again, lots more action coming up. And again, check it out. Also get educated on the charts, learn everything there is to know. This is definitely a trader's market, and it's going to be a trader's market for years to come. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.